there. Okay. And
I go.
Does he have a dog?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go Geisha. I go.
What's the dog's name? Did he tell you?
Go Geisha.
Google Geisha.
Go Geisha. I go on Go Geisha's house.
Oh, you got to go to his house?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
I go Geisha's house. I go in there.
Oh, you have to go in there?
Yeah.
Oh,
And I have found my Go Geisha's friends.
okay.
I have to go find her.
You have to go find them?
Yeah.
They don't live close by?
No. We have to go
far
away.
You have to go far away?
Yeah.
Okay.
My friend. Mommy, I go to Google
His
Geisha.
is far away and yours is super, super far away?
Hey,
Okay.
Grandma. And I have to go to Google Geisha. And I have to go to Geisha. Google Geisha. Yeah. I have to go at their house. And we have to get to the at the park.
Oh, you have to find them at the park?
Yeah. And Google Geisha have it's their park. Birthday.
He's at the park now?
And no, it's their birthday. It's their birthday.
So Geisha has to go to the park?
Have we been there before?
You've been to the park before?
But not our friend's house.
No, not your friend's house. We didn't know you had that friend.
Well, we have to go Geisha. I go Grandma.
Well,
Grandma's
Mommy's going to
gonna
have to
take
talk to Google Geisha's mommy.
Yeah, Google Geisha is with there Google Geisha. Well, she has to
Yeah,
tell her mom.
she has to tell her mom, and her mommy has to talk to
Yeah,
your
and I
mommy.
have to talk to Google
And they can
Geisha.
set up a play date.
I talk
Get
to
your kid
Google Geisha. He's my friend.
Okay. I'm glad he's your friend.
Hey, Google Geisha is my egg. Okay, I have to go super far away. Me too.
Oh, okay. And you can live there for the day?
I go with